Welcome to ShadeScape's Outdoor Design Knowledge Series. Today we'll be talking about the radius upgrade. Here we have a normal pergola. Notice that the top of the structure is a square. This pergola has the radius upgrade. Notice that the top of the pergola is round. As the name suggests, the radius upgrade turns the roof into a circle. But take a look at this pergola, a far more exotic look. This is the inverse radius. Not as common as the radius upgrade. The inverse radius turns it into, well, the inverse of a circle. First, let's talk about practicality. The radius upgrade allows you to place your posts closer together without compromising any of your shade. Now let's talk design. The radius upgrade allows you to tap into the natural. Nature is rarely made up of 90-degree angles. So, as humans, we naturally appreciate design that is softer and rounder. So, the next time you are looking to add a natural touch to one of your projects, consider the radius upgrade. Thirsty for knowledge? Check out one of these other videos or go to shadescape.com.